So full-time year at Park Avenue was Aberystwyth 0, Llandudno 0 and Hugh manager Matthew Bishop. Matt, the first draw of the season, what's your thoughts?
Well, it's the first draw of the season and a clean sheet. Pleased in many ways because that's two undefeated now and no goals conceded at home. Probably the result was probably a fair result today. Both teams were, they had sort of half chances. Both keepers pulled a couple of saves off, but neither team really looked like scoring or taking the game by the scruff of the neck. So, yeah, probably a draw is probably a fair result.
Speaking of those chances, Dave Roberts has pulled off a great save at the end, and Sherman's hit the header with the crossbar.
Yeah.
How frustrating is it just not to get that couple of inches lower and we have a completely different result?
Yeah, listen, it's about taking your chances, isn't it? And that's the difference. Unfortunately today we didn't. But in many ways, we could say the same for Llandudno. If they'd taken a couple of chances that they had, then maybe it could have been a different story for them. So maybe a draw is a fair result. They'll probably be happier than we are in many ways. But again, we've had to manage one or two injuries. Sherman's come off again, thigh problem. So he struggled most of the second half and did very well to stay in it as he was. But yeah, listen. It's a clean sheet, there's the positive, and it's our first draw of the season, so it's another step forward.
As you said, there's another clean sheet, first draw, and how good that unit at the back now, because that's 2 games in a row, they look pretty solid.
Well, listen, we can only try and improve on that, and it's a team thing, it's not just about the back fours, obviously keepers included in that, and it's the other 6 players in front, so it's a team effort. I'm just pleased that it's another clean sheet, but unfortunately we didn't get the result today and a win, which probably would have been good for us in terms of the league. But just said to the lads now how important that result was for us today with the results as they were.
And of course, the 3rd consecutive home game here next week in front of the Scoria cameras there. But how are we looking ahead of that?
Well, listen, we've got to get back now into training. We've got to try and make sure everyone's ready to go for that game, and we're back in here Wednesday and we'll work on our plan for Airbus.
Matt, thanks very much for your time.